Hello and welcome back to our AutoIt scripting series. In this episode, we're going to be discussing GUI automation, one of the most powerful features of AutoIt. GUI, or Graphical User Interface, automation refers to the ability to control and interact with Windows software using code. With AutoIt, you can automate anything you can do manually, such as clicking buttons, typing text, and selecting items from menus. AutoIt provides a wide range of functions and controls for GUI automation. Functions such as WinActivate, WinWaitActive, and ControlClick allow you to control specific windows and their controls, while functions such as Send and ControlSend allow you to send keystrokes and text to these windows. Here's an example that demonstrates how you can use AutoIt functions to automate a simple task in Notepad. This script launches Notepad, waits for the Notepad window to be active, clicks the Edit control in the Notepad window, and then sends the text "Hello, World" to the window. With GUI automation in AutoIt, you can automate almost any task in Windows, making your life easier and more productive. In future episodes, we'll be exploring more advanced GUI automation techniques, so be sure to stay tuned.